first letter we have is from Andrew from the National Collective, who unfortunately couldn't make it down today. He was supposed to speak, so he sent us this letter to be read out in his place. The National Collective is a cultural campaign for independence, involving a whole range of creative people, artists, writers, poets, and musicians. We believe the question of independence is fundamentally a question of the imagination. If you can imagine a better society, then you have the power to build a better society. The imagination is always the key, always the catalyst for change, for social empowerment. And that is why arts and culture are so important in movements like this. Independence will be good for Scotland, but it will also be good for other parts of these islands, because we can show that an alternate way of doing things is possible. We can shake up the system and lead by our actions. Voting no doesn't change anything for anybody. It just tells Westminster that we are unwilling to fight and that they can do whatever they want to us. Today's rally in Cardiff is a beautiful, selfless gesture. I wish I could be there to see it. The rally today for Scotland, but let me say something about Wales. I believe in Wales. The people of Wales have the same ability to govern themselves as any other human being on this planet. So let the message go out to the world. Wales is on a journey of its own, and it doesn't need to be in the shadow of the Scottish question. Wales can build its own unique movement for independence, make it a Welsh movement with its own Welsh character and sentiment, its own colours. The potential for Wales is incredibly exciting, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds in the coming years. Let us, like us, you have incredible times ahead of you. So imagine victory. Imagine Scotland and Wales reinvigorated, revitalised, new and confident and self-assured. Imagine telling future generations we won against all the powers of the state and the media because we chose to have a little faith in ourselves. The story alone is worth fighting. I will end with a quote from Cesar Chavez. Once social change begins, it cannot be reversed. You cannot uneducate the person who has learned to read. You cannot humiliate the person who feels pride. You cannot oppress the people who are not afraid anymore. We have seen the future, and the future is ours.